Hi, evening everyone. Welcome to my live. Basically, this is my day 10 live video challenge that I have joined with Steph and the Sun. So basically today I will just be talking about what is the piece of advice every entrepreneur should hear. So actually there is many advice that everyone should hear, in a sense that being an entrepreneur is more about learning how to uh, be open-minded, to learn everything from successful people. It's not about, you see, there is many gurus out there nowadays. They will tell you that if you were to attend their trainings, they will give you a free training, everything, and you will learn a lot of things. Yes, I agree that you will learn a lot of things, but some of the things that they teach you is not it's not everything they will teach you. Basically, they will keep some of the tips to their selling, to their people, to the people who buy from them the program. I have come into my mind there is a few so-called gurus. They were, and one of them is also a local in Singapore, because I attend recently to the semi webinar that he held. He's quite young. He's a Singaporean. He's quite young, and he said that you just attend his training. You will actually get a free confirm sales leads. That is, like, you see, like misleading, say confirm sales, but after and also he say he will give you a free book for his program. So I was like, okay, curious, I want to find out more what is actually all about. So I go and attend, I go and see, and after all whole seminar, there is no like free leads given. The free book is actually in the Excel file that is how to say, all the figures. That is actually misleading. That is not ethical of him to say that you were giving a free book. uh I believe this person, if he has the opportunity to see my live video, please do something about it, because you're just a fake guru. You're taking figures out from all over the place without a proven dates, or you just pluck out from any place of the person name. Nobody knows is it true or false, and you are sharing that, oh, this is the my student's result, this is what my student result I earn. So actually the advice for every entrepreneur is to have an open heart to learn. It do not, like, how to say, criticize what is right, what is wrong. You have a own, you have the sound mind to actually to know what is right, what is wrong, because everyone, that there is different teaching. There is, everyone have different opinion of how they do the business, because on there is different business. Like, you see, there is a lot of affiliate marketings. They will tell you you get this program, you join them this program, you will actually earn money. Yes, you can earn money, but you have to go and see the facts. How are you going to earn money? It doesn't mean that affiliate program is not good. uh it's good. Basically, you can actually earn money in it. I have also do affiliate marketing, uh and I earn also. So basically, it's not that you will not earn. It's basically you have to actually spend the time on to promote your affiliate program. Like for myself, I'm more onto doing organic traffic. So organic traffic compared to paid traffic is totally different. Paid traffic, you have to spend a lot of money on advertisement, and yes, definitely they will see your advertisement, but it doesn't is whether they will have the click, they will click onto your ads or not. So basically, it doesn't really, like, say, generate incomes until they really click on your ads and sign up. So actually, for organics, is it will take a lot of times. like for myself, I spend a lot of times on the Facebook. So basically have to interact with people, I have to chat with people, I have to actually to let people know who am I, to get to know me better. Because organic traffic is not about how you can actually get a lot of sales. Because if you never build up your audience with trust and relationship, definitely you will not have any sales. Because who are me, who am I that the person will trust me and buy from me, right? Unless the person know me, they have a relationship, that I have a well reputation, that I'm specialized in this area, then they will definitely buy from me. Hi everyone, thanks for watching my live. Oh, okay, live so hang. Hi, hi brother, thanks for watching. Hi, Carol also watching. So thanks for everyone for watching. This is my actually my day 10's live video challenge. So basically this is the topic that I will be talking. Because for advice, I will actually, for me, I actually seek from advice from different people. I seek from advice from Aaron Won. He's one of my friend in Facebook. Then Steph Anderson. uh, then I will also seek advice with Brandon. He's because these few guys are very well versed in online marketing, and they have been in the industry for very long. It doesn't mean that I know these things, I know already the things that I should not ask them. Because some things I may do wrong in a wrong way. So it's actually best to actually ask them. It's not wrong to ask people that you don't know. If you are afraid to ask for help, then you will not succeed. Because all successful people is ask. Just ask. Anything you don't know, ask. Even like you are in a in working in the working environment, do you straight away you go to work, you know all their systems, how they work, how they actually run the program or run the company? Definitely you don't know. You have to actually go and understudy, you have to go and find out more how they actually the company run. So in online business, online marketing or affiliate program, is the same things. There will be trainings, there will be group discussion, there will be a lot of things that you need to go and learn and spend time to go and find out more what is about it. Because this is the things that you need to learn, and you will have you have to master it, all the skills. Then you will be able to project yourself as someone well versed in this industry. So for example, like affiliate marketing, like for example, if you were to sell a software program, definitely you will have to go and find out what this software actually do. Like okay, I recently I bought this program. Like recently I bought this software program, like Blaster software. This Blaster software is actually cover spatial law, that is text over text to speech. Then thumbnail Blaster is actually doing the YouTube, the thumbnail. Those who actually watch my YouTube, right, the front picture will be actually the picture that I created. Then there is also a video marketing program that I actually purchased it to actually help me to write out the title, the keywords, all this, to actually help me to do the SEO, Google ranking. Because I have some of the title or placement, right, I am actually top in the Google ranking and YouTube ranking #1 by using the program. So basically this program will actually help me to boost. So actually when I buy this program, I also don't know, this is actually to help me to do a business, to actually sell to people who actually want to build their company or business as rank #1. There is a lot of company now are doing all this business, like helping people to get ranking #1 in the Google search. So basically I no need to go and find company to help me to do my ranking as number one. So basically I have this program, I just use the program. The program will actually help me to find the keywords. Once the keyword and this niche keyword, I can place it and you will be number one ranking. Maybe when I have the chance, I will actually do a short video to show you guys how I actually rank number one in some industry that I actually do. And actually this placement, this ranking, I can sell it off to companies that they want, because nowadays the business is already affected. So like walk-in customer is not much, so basically mostly all is online. So online will actually help the business better. So once you drive the traffic to the online, definitely the business will build up. So today this is what I will be sharing. I will not be sharing so much about advice because I'm still new. I will not say the advice that I'm a pro on online marketing or these things. I'm still learning. Every day is still learning. This video challenge is to actually let you understand that I'm still learning. I'm willing to learn. I have been spending a lot of time on online and I learn from different people. If you will have the chance to talk to those people that actually comment my name or mention my name, those are the people actually I seek advice from. Like Seth Anderson, actually I seek advice from him. Then Aaron Wong, he's also I seek advice from him. And a lot of those well-known online marketers, Brandon, I also seek advice from him. So basically I learn everything from each different person. The mindset of being an entrepreneur is to never stop learning, because it doesn't mean that you already there, you no need to learn anything new. There is every time there is something new, there is new strategy or new way to do business, because online marketing is every day evolving. It's not a dead thing. It's basically you will have to learn and different ways of approach. There is different way of different customer all around. This depends on how you approach in different angles, right? So today that's my video for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or things that you want, uh, you can just leave a comment below. And please do me a favor, guys. I really need your help. Give more heart. Give more heart. So actually it will help my video to will boost out more. Give more heart. Just not like thumbs up. So thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys. Bye bye.